Today I find out if a $200 dirt bike can be reliable. Today, apart from doing like the cleaning up the wiring, I think I'm gonna do some like reliability things to this bike. Probably gonna just change the oil, clean up the carb, and what else? There's really not that much else. I think a motorcycle can be like really reliable as long as it has compression. Then like everything else you can fix pretty easily. I'm gonna start out with the carb first. So we finally took the carb out, and it probably is full of gas right now. So the Pilot Jet seems to be good. If you look through it, never mind, it's a little bit clogged, so I'll clean it. Okay, so now that I cleaned the carb up, I think it should start within a couple kicks with no starter fluid, because with starter fluid it'll start first kick. But so let's see. Yes. Nice. Okay. So before it would not start without starting fluid. Now it's pretty good. Next thing I'm probably gonna do is take off all the wires and connect the headlight. The update on the wiring is that someone has already tried to do what I'm trying to do. These two are the wires for the fucking hey, dude. I did it backwards. Okay, so now that I fixed that stupid mistake, should be all good. Okay, so not even joking, this was like, it fell off the bike. This is what holds the tank. But I was looking for it for like 15 minutes and I had to go back to the tape and I'm like, where the fuck did it go? And then I saw it roll down and it went falling. So I took all that off the turn signals and then I cleaned up all the wires that were over here. I think it looks a lot better. And I made the headlight work. I guess it kind of worked. So now I think we should take it for a test drive. We are now at the super secret racetrack facility, and we're gonna see how this does here. I want to, let's see, go over to those bushes right there, and we're gonna head over around that bush all the way over there, and then around these ones, and then around this one, and then right at the tripod will be the finish line. Or oh no.